Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to my channel. If you love programming, tech, and everything in between, you're in the right place. But before we jump into all the fun stuff, I want to take a moment to introduce myself and share why I decided to start this channel. So, a little bit about me. I've been passionate about computers and technology ever since I was a kid. I was that person who would spend hours tinkering with software, trying to understand how things work, and building little projects just for fun. As I grew up, this passion only got stronger. I started creating small to medium-sized coding projects. Some worked, some failed miserably, but I always learned something new along the way. Then came high school, where I officially started studying computer science. That was a game changer because I got to dive deeper into programming, algorithms, and all the cool stuff that makes software tick. Fast forward to today, I'm in university, still studying computer science, still learning, and still absolutely loving it. Now, you might be wondering, why start a YouTube channel? Well, the answer is simple. I know there's so many people out there just like me, curious, passionate, and eager to learn more about coding and tech. And I want to create a space where we can explore programming together, break down complex topics, and stay up to date with the latest tech news. On this channel, I'll be covering everything from programming tutorials to industry news, tips for improving your coding skills, and maybe even some fun tech stories along the way. My goal is to make programming more accessible and enjoyable for everyone, whether you're a beginner or already have some experience. So, if that sounds like something you're into, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos. Also, drop a comment below and let me know what programming topics you're interested in. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.